Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, someone had posted on Facebook saying that thank God Vuyokazi removed Vicky from her life because every time Vuyo posts, a girl will also post. She's silently competing. I'm like, and if you guys don't know, let me remind you guys. So these two are friends, right? We first met Uviki, Vuyoka's friend, on the last season of Izingane's team, right? She was there to support her friend on that failing relationship with Umpumelelo Mseleko, right? And how they met is that Viki, I think she was also dating Mpumelelo, and that's how they became friends. I don't know how you become friends like that, but that's not my business anyway. So she was also there and supporting Vuyokas through her marriage and breakup with that chef piece of tea. Anyway, with that chef thing, I don't like that guy. With that chef, she was so supportive. She also planned a surprise, helped women plan a surprise for all Vuyokasi. And now this. I then did my investigations further and went to Vuyokas's page, and indeed, Vuyokas removed Vicky's pictures from her page. And I also went to Vicky's page, and she also removed Vuyokas's pictures. And I'm just like, what the hell is happening? You guys see no sign of Uvuyokas. They also did a photo shoot together. There is no sign of their video or their pictures together. And I just hope that these are just rumors, because damn, like, this girl really supported Uvuyokas, hey? But just because of someone supported you doesn't mean that they have to be in your life forever, right? What do you guys think?